Well, today is the anniversary of Germany's 1939, September 1st invasion of Poland. However, I'm doing a medieval video on some events that happened in medieval times and the Dark Ages, which were also part of the Middle Ages. In 891 AD, the Northmen, which the Vikings were called, also Norsemen, were defeated at Louvain, France. Now I guess you're wondering what was going on. The Vikings, the Northmen, were raiding all across Europe at this time, and they suffered a handful of defeats by the Frankish armies, and no doubt armies of the Saxon English Saxons. And in 1067 AD, a Baldwin VI becomes Count of Flanders. And in 1181 AD, a figure known as Ubaldo Alusgallo Goli becomes, well, actually replaces Alexander III as Lucius III, Pope of Rome at the Catholic Church. And in 1255 AD, as we move on into medieval age, Königsberg, now known as Kaliningrad, is founded by the Teutonic Order. It was named in honor of the Bohemian king Ottokar II. Now, if you don't know what the Teutonic Order is, it's an order of knights, much like the Templar Knights and the Hospitaller Knights. They were founded in the city of Acre, and they were mostly German. And they didn't really accept anyone else except for Germans until they were forced to accept, to fill in the ranks, those who were non-Germans. And we have another event, 1267 AD, Rabbi Moses ben Nachman established a Jewish community within Jerusalem. And in 1273 AD, Rudolf of Habsburg is elected Emperor of Germany. I don't know how many emperors of Germany and the Holy Roman Empire were, but there are definitely a long list of them. And in 1355, a figure known as Tivertko I writes in Castro Nostro Bezoco Vacatum from Old Vizoki. Now, wrap your mind about that one, or wrap your mind around that one. Well, that's all I have for medieval history. Sorry, I looked at my notes. When you have more than 5 events to talk about, it's pretty complicated. I hope you learned something and that you've heard my voice. Bye.